Welcome to SaaS Beast Pro. In today's video, 7 Gemini AI settings on PC you need to enable now. We're walking through essential tweaks to make your Gemini AI experience smoother and more secure. Now, let's get started. Number 1. Disable Gemini App's activity tracking. Controlling activity tracking is crucial for protecting your privacy and ensuring Gemini AI only uses data you allow. This step strengthens security and keeps your usage more private. Alright, let's get into the steps. Step 1. Open your browser and go to gemini.google.com to access your Gemini AI account. Step 2. Click on the 3-bar Settings and Help icon at the bottom of the left-hand column to find the Settings menu. Step 3. Select Activity from the menu that appears to view your activity tracking options. Step 4. Turn off the activity by clicking the Turn Off or Turn Off and Delete Activity button at the top of the page, ensuring your data isn't tracked unnecessarily. Number 2. Enable Google Workspace extension integration. This feature connects Gemini AI with your Google tools, allowing it to access Gmail, Calendar, and Docs directly. It enhances productivity by generating summaries, scheduling events, and drafting emails automatically. Enabling it ensures seamless, AI-powered workflow inside your workspace. Alright, let's get into the steps. Step 1. Open the Gemini app from your browser. This launches the interface where all integrations are managed. Step 2. Click the 3-line icon at the top left to expand the main menu. This will reveal the full list of customization and configuration options. Step 3. From the menu, select Settings. This is where you can manage all connected features and extensions. Step 4. In the Settings panel, click on the Connected Apps option. This section lists all external services Gemini can integrate with. Step 5. Find Google Workspace from the list and toggle the button to turn on the extension. This activates the connection feature for your Workspace tools. Step 6. When a pop-up window appears, click Connect to link your Google Workspace account. You may need to sign in or allow permissions for Gemini to access your data. Step 7. Once connected, you can type @Gmail or @Google Calendar in a new chat to instantly create AI-generated summaries or events. Step 8. Gemini will now access your workspace data securely and generate personalized, intelligent outputs based on your emails, meetings, and documents. Number 3. Manage connected apps and services. This setting gives you full control over which Google tools and external services Gemini can access. Managing these connections helps you customize your AI experience, improve performance, and protect your privacy. It's a simple yet powerful way to tailor Gemini to your workflow. Alright, let's get into the steps. Step 1. Go to gemini.google.com and sign in with your Google account to access your main Gemini dashboard. Step 2. Click the menu icon, the 3 horizontal lines, in the top left corner to open the sidebar menu. Step 3. Select Settings, then choose Connected Apps from the options available to view your connected services. Step 4. Review the full list of Google services and third-party tools that Gemini can connect with, such as Drive, Docs, or Calendar. Step 5. Enable or disable any app as needed. Turning off unused integrations keeps your account secure, while enabling key ones boosts productivity and syncs your data seamlessly. Number 4. Change Gemini's default AI model. Switching Gemini's default AI model lets you control how the assistant responds, faster replies with Flash, or deeper reasoning with Pro. This gives you flexibility for coding, math, or quick creative tasks. It's key to tailoring Gemini to your workflow. Alright, let's get into the steps. Step 1. Open your Gemini app and ensure you're signed in with your Google account. This ensures your settings and model preferences sync properly. Step 2. At the top of the interface, click the drop-down menu showing your current AI model. You'll see available options like Gemini 2.5 Flash and 2.5 Pro. Step 3. Choose 2.5 Flash for instant responses, ideal for quick tasks and light queries. It's the speed-focused model designed for efficiency. Step 4. Select 2.5 Pro for complex reasoning, coding, or math problems. It processes inputs more deeply before answering, giving better accuracy and insight. Step 5. If you want to explore older Gemini models, go to Google AI Studio through your browser and sign in. Step 6. Navigate to the chat section, then open the model selector. You'll see every Gemini version available, from 2.0 to earlier Gemma models. Step 7. Pick any version you'd like to test and start chatting. Each model provides a unique response style, letting you compare performance across generations. Number 5. Set auto-delete for conversation history, 3, 18, or 36 months. This setting helps protect your privacy by automatically clearing old Gemini chat data at regular intervals. It keeps your activity log minimal and your workspace clean while maintaining full control over what stays and what goes. A simple change that boosts both performance and peace of mind. Alright, let's get into the steps. Step 1. Open your browser and go to gemini.google.com. Make sure you're signed in with the same Google account you use for Gemini AI. Step 2. Click on Settings and Help from the top menu, then select Activity. This section manages how your data and history are stored. Step 3. At the top of the Gemini app's activity page, click Deleting Activity Older Than. Step 4. Choose your preferred auto-delete period. 3 months, 18 months default, or 36 months. You can also select Don't Auto-Delete Activity if you prefer to keep everything. Step 5. Click Next, then follow the on-screen prompts to confirm your choice. Gemini will automatically clear conversations based on your selected time frame. Number 6. Toggle Dark Theme Display Mode. Switching between light and dark themes helps reduce eye strain, saves battery life, and lets you personalize your Gemini workspace for better focus and comfort during long sessions. Alright, let's get into the steps. Step 1. Open your browser and go to gemini.google.com to access the Gemini web app on your desktop. This is where you'll adjust your display preferences. Step 2. In the bottom left corner, find the Settings and Help icon that looks like a small gear. Click it to open the menu options. Step 3. From the menu, select Theme and click on Dark Theme to instantly switch your Gemini interface to dark mode. Your preference will be saved automatically for future visits on that browser and device. Step 4. To switch back later, repeat the same process, then choose Light Theme from the menu. Number 7. Share a conversation via Public Link. This feature makes it easy to share your Gemini AI chats with anyone, helping others learn from your insights or continue your discussions seamlessly. It's perfect for collaboration, tutorials, or quick knowledge sharing. Alright, let's get into the steps. Step 1. Open Gemini by visiting gemini.google.com in your web browser. Make sure you're signed in to access your conversations. Step 2. Find the conversation you want to share. You can select any chat that contains useful or interesting content. Step 3. Below any response in that chat, click on the Share and Export icon. It looks like a small less than symbol. Step 4. In the menu that appears, click on Share. Gemini will instantly generate a public link for your conversation. Step 5. The link will be automatically copied to your clipboard. You can now paste it anywhere, like a message, email, or forum, to share your chat with others. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more helpful Gemini AI tips.